Can you imagine a billionaire who still lives in a house he bought in 1958 for $31,500? That's Warren Buffett for you. Known as one of the wealthiest individuals globally, his approach to personal finance is truly unique. Simplicity and an easy life take precedence over material possessions for him. Despite his immense wealth, Warren Buffett chooses a frugal lifestyle. Let's delve into the wisdom behind his choices. Buffett advocates for buying a house early on, and keeping it long-term if it meets your needs. Home, after all, is where the heart is, but it's also where a lot of our money goes. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, has lived in the same house since 1958. You heard that right, 1958? That's over 6 decades of calling one place home. But this isn't just about sentimentality, it's a financial strategy. By buying a house that meets his needs and keeping it for the long haul, Buffett avoids the financial pitfalls of constantly upgrading or moving. He's not pouring money into extravagant homes or dealing with the stress of multiple mortgages. Instead, he's found a home he loves, and he's stuck with it. This approach isn't just for billionaires, it's a form of financial prudence that anyone can adopt. The key is to find a home that suits your needs, not your fantasies. A home that's comfortable, practical, and affordable. Then, hold on to it. Much like Warren Buffett, find a home you love and stick with it. After all, the richest man in the world has shown us that a home is more than just a property. It's a long-term investment in happiness and financial stability. Living a debt-free life is another cornerstone of Buffett's philosophy. The billionaire investor is known for his frugal living habits, and one of the key elements of this is avoiding unnecessary spending, thus avoiding debt. He doesn't believe in purchasing items or services that aren't absolutely necessary, and he's a firm advocate of living within one's means. He's not one to splurge on the latest gadgets or flashy cars. Instead, he opts for quality goods that offer good value for money and last a long time. He's also known for his preference for paying in cash, which helps him to keep track of his spending and avoid credit card debt. In a world where consumerism and the desire to keep up with the Joneses often leads to financial strain, Buffett's approach is refreshingly simple and effective. He knows the true value of money and understands that being debt-free is not about deprivation, but about making smart choices. Remember, the less debt you have, the more financial freedom you enjoy. Fast food and simple meals. That's what you'll find on Buffett's table. Buffett, despite his immense wealth, doesn't splurge on fancy, extravagant meals. Instead, he opts for the simplicity and cost-effectiveness of fast food and home-cooked meals. His preference for such simplicity extends beyond mere frugality. It's a philosophy, a way of life that prioritizes function over form and substance over show. Buffett's approach to food reflects his approach to finance. It's not about the flashy, the expensive, or the luxurious. It's about the practical, the sustainable, and the enjoyable. It's about finding joy in the things that serve their purpose well, without unnecessary bells and whistles. This principle can be applied not just to food, but to all aspects of life. It's a reminder that the best things in life aren't always the most expensive or the most luxurious. Sometimes, they're the simplest. The everyday pleasures we often take for granted, the familiar tastes of our favorite meals, the comfort of a well-worn pair of shoes, the joy of a good book. So next time you're about to splurge on something extravagant, take a moment to consider if you're buying it for the right reasons. Are you buying it because it serves a purpose and brings you joy, or are you buying it just for the sake of luxury? Delight in the simple pleasures of life, much like Buffett does. When it comes to transportation, Buffett chooses comfort over luxury. Now, imagine being one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet. You could probably afford any car your heart desires. But for Warren Buffett, a comfortable ride trumps a flashy one. Buffett is known to drive vehicles that are far from flashy, opting instead for models that are comfortable and reliable. He isn't interested in the latest sports car or the most luxurious sedan. Instead, he values practicality, reliability, and comfort. This isn't just about saving money, it's about choosing what genuinely brings value to his life. Buffett's approach to transportation is a perfect example of his overall philosophy to life and money. Frugality isn't about deprivation, it's about making thoughtful decisions. It's about understanding what you truly need and value, and not allowing societal pressures to dictate your spending. So the next time you're considering a major purchase, take a page from Buffett's book. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Or am I simply caught up in the allure of the luxurious? Always remember, it's not the price tag that determines value, but the joy and comfort it brings to your life. Choose comfort over luxury, your wallet will thank you. Buffett advises against using leverage in investing. Now what does that mean? Well, leverage in investing is essentially borrowed money that you use to invest in something that you believe will yield a return. It's like using a loan to buy a house, except in this case, you're using the loan to buy shares, bonds, or other types of investments. So why does Buffett advise against it? It's simple. Leverage amplifies not only the potential returns, but also the potential losses. If the investment doesn't pan out as expected, you're not just losing your money, you're losing money you don't even have. This could lead to a financial disaster, which is why Buffett, despite his vast wealth, steers clear of this trap. Buffett's approach is a testament to the old saying, "Don't count your chickens before they're hatched." It's about patience and prudence, about taking calculated risks and avoiding unnecessary debt. It's about understanding that real wealth is not just about how much you earn, but also about how much you keep. Remember, the less you owe, the more you own. Buffett believes in purchasing products at a discount. Now, this doesn't mean that he's always looking for the cheapest option. Rather, he understands the value of money and the importance of getting the most bang for your buck. Think about it like this. If you can get the same product or service for less, why pay more? It's not about being stingy, it's about being smart with your money. Buffett's approach to buying discounted items is a testament to his frugal lifestyle. It's a simple yet effective way to save money without sacrificing quality or value. This practice goes beyond just clipping coupons or waiting for sales. It's about recognizing the true value of a product or service and refusing to overpay. The joy of discounts isn't just about the immediate savings, it's about the satisfaction of knowing you've made a smart financial decision. It's about understanding that every little bit counts, and that those savings can add up over time. So, the next time you're shopping, whether it's for groceries, clothes, or even investing in stocks, remember to hunt for discounts. Because as Warren Buffett shows us, even billionaires appreciate a good deal. Next time you shop, remember to hunt for discounts. Buffett carries cash for purchases and even uses coupons. Now, you might be wondering why someone as wealthy as Warren Buffett would bother with such seemingly trivial matters. But the answer is simple. Cash and coupons offer tangible benefits that can add up to significant savings over time. Firstly, using cash can help you keep a tighter rein on your spending. When you physically hand over bills, you're more aware of the money leaving your hands. This consciousness can make you think twice before making impulsive purchases. But the real game changer here is the use of coupons. Coupons are essentially free money. They represent an opportunity to get what you need or want at a reduced price. By using coupons, Buffett is able to save money on purchases he would have made anyway. In addition to these financial benefits, cash and coupons can also offer psychological rewards. There's a certain satisfaction that comes from knowing you've gotten a good deal, and this can make your purchases feel even more rewarding. So don't shy away from carrying cash or using coupons. Every penny saved counts. Despite his love for fast food, Buffett maintains good health by moderating calorie intake. Just as we carefully manage our finances, it's equally vital to manage our health. After all, what use is all the wealth in the world if we're not in good health to enjoy it? Investing in our health pays dividends that no stock market can match. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate rest are the cornerstones of this investment. Buffett, despite his fast food habits, ensures he moderates his calorie intake. It's not about depriving ourselves, but about making smart choices. Just as we diversify our financial portfolio, we should also diversify our health practices. A mix of physical activity, mental wellness, and nutritional balance is the ideal health portfolio. Healthcare costs, as we know, can quickly drain our finances. By investing in our health, we're also safeguarding our financial future. It's a form of wealth insurance that guarantees us the freedom to enjoy our earnings without the burden of disease or discomfort. Remember, maintaining good health is a form of wealth. So, there you have it. 9 effective ways to live frugally inspired by Warren Buffett. We've delved into his philosophy of valuing a home over fancy real estate, living a debt-free life, finding joy in simple pleasures, choosing comfort over luxury, avoiding the trap of leverage, appreciating the value of discounts, embracing a cash and coupon lifestyle, and recognizing that health is the greatest wealth. These are not just financial lessons, but life lessons that can lead to a fulfilling and contented life. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Till next time, stay frugal.